4-4. 36.
Bingo!
Bingo. 36.
Come on. Start it off.
Next one.
Oh, look at my friends. My friends clap.
Mark, did it work? Yeah, I think so.
They already gave 62 and 64.
2-9.
Dang. My number. I got one of everything. You can call that mine.
36.
Oh, here we go.
36.
Come on, back to back. Back to back.
8. Number 8.
Man.
52. Bidding on 52. That should be our 2 ball.
Hey, everybody.
52.
Make sure you guys thumbs up this video, please. Thank you.
2 ball.
This is Bella looking for stuff. She looking for
38. 38.
she looking for some bubbles first, or whatever you call this.
19. 1-9. 44. 4-4. 53. 5-3. 57. 5-7. 50. 5-0. 59. 5-9. 34. 3-4.
Is any of your numbers up?
48. 4-8. 46. 4-6. 12. 1-2. 26. 2-6. 40. 4-0.
Come on.
23.
Where's the yellow balls at?
2-3.
What happens to yellow balls at?
55. 5-5. 65.
Bingo!
Bingo. 65. Three ball.
Come on, Charlie. Get it going. I only got one, so I'm rooting for you.
6-7. 71. Double. Yeah. 41. 4-1. 32. 3-2. 57. 5-7. 39. 39. 54.
How come KP can't wear anything festive? Bahang. Brina said Bahang because you're not wearing nothing festive. Oh my God. Back to back.
1.
Bingo! It came back to back. I only got one card. I got one card. I got one card. I only have one card. I only have one card, and it came back to back. It came 20 and 1. I had one card, right? I only had one card.
That's awesome.
That's crazy.
And 9 calls in.
I only had one card, and it came. That's crazy. $1,000. I had one card, you guys. I didn't have no cards. That has never happened before.
I had one.
Only had
47. 38. 12. 61. 27. 21. 46. 36. 71. 62. 48. 66. 18. 73. 13. 51. 17. 42. 35.
Mine ain't doing nothing.
15. 44. 43.
Dang, 6.
34. 54.
54 is out.
31. 59. 45. 72. 57.
Bingo!
57.
Yay! Casey got that one. Better have picked my birthday. Better have picked my birthday. KP won that, you guys. Oh, thank you. Lucky bucks from Chasing Bingos. Yay! Good job. You picked a good number. KP won. Leaving one of their chairs, Sharita. What is it? Oh, I don't got that. You take one of their chairs, huh, Sharita? So these are the games we won tonight. We won, let's see, we won $500 on Pick a Puppy Horse. The downline number 12, we won $500. I won $50 on the whole ball on Sherbet. And then I won $1,000 on Double Bubble. And then I won $200 on Dabbit. I won $200 on Dabbit. And then I won $500 on Safari 3-ball.
8. 40. 47. 2. 1. 72. 36. 43. 74. 26. 47. 49. 42. 60. 45.
Yes.
11. 25. 58. 60. Big ball 16.
Okay, KP won again, y'all. $200 and no pull tabs this time. It's cash this time. Cash this time, KP. Hey, KP won, you guys, $200.
Okay, we got $50. 271. Okay, all right. That's 16.
KP won $200. KP been tearing it up tonight, y'all.
So we have 16. That's the chocolate dropping flag. That's 0 2.
Okay, the next one is Champion Jockey, you guys. It's a horse, it's a downline called Champion Jockey. And it also has 3 250 instances as well.
59. 30. 69. 4. 37. 6. 14. 62. 70. 23. 62. 25. 11. 75. 8, 49, 44, 67, 12,
Dang.
29,
Dang, 14.
39, 7,
Dang.
40, 38, 15,
Oh, wow.
66.
Oh, wow. KP won again. KP won again. KP won again, you guys. $500 champion jockey. KP's horse came through. I had 2 horses and mine didn't come in. No, she never tells me her horses on purpose.